Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can go ahead and see, we got the new part here. It's the knuckle that we're finally going to go ahead and replace. Unfortunately, it actually took a lot longer to come in than we wanted it to, but a lot has happened in that time frame. Now, if you guys haven't seen the other video, we actually bought a 2017 Mustang GT, which we're going to move over to the main build, and we're going to go ahead and turn this 2015 into a parts car. So we're going to go ahead and have that to look forward to. But right now, I still want to change out the knuckle because we still need this car to roll around here at the shop. So we're going to go ahead and get the shop ready. But before we actually get started, I want to go ahead and give a huge shout out to my new sponsor, LED All the Things. Go ahead and check them out. They have some great product. They actually went ahead and sent me out the shirt. It's a little big right now, but it's 100% cotton, so it will shrink. So that's a heads up for you guys. I will go ahead and do that review for those custom LED panels, the ones that you can do for your Instagram, YouTube, wherever you want to do them for. I'm gonna go ahead and do that video soon. I'm not sure on a date yet, but stay tuned for that. So without further ado, let's go get ahead and replace this knuckle. Alright guys, so first things first, we have to go ahead and unscrew this one right here, pull off the actual ABS sensor right here, and then we can go ahead and take off these 4 bolts once we have the knuckle completely off. So this is the only thing that's holding it onto the car seat. Now we go ahead and take off the 4 bolts right here, and then we'll go ahead and open the new knuckle right here. Ooh, pretty good.
Hulk smash.
Hulk smash. Get him out.
No time for that.
So you see, there's no really frame damage right here. Man. Alright guys, so as you can go ahead and see, this is the old one. This is where the broken piece, where it broke off. And this is the new piece we have right here. The actual broken piece, the one that's missing, is actually still up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that one off. But other than that, it's just gonna be reversing everything we've done, and we'll see how long it actually takes. Hopefully we can knock this off pretty quick. guys, so right now we're still working on the knuckle, but we're basically almost done with the knuckle. It's just that these bugs are driving me and Star crazy right now. Like, no lie, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the bugs. But so I don't know if you guys can actually see this, but the yellow bright color actually attracts all these bugs. And again, I don't know if the camera can actually pick them up, but they're just everywhere. Those are all little bugs. And all those over there, yeah, those are all just bugs. But anyways, it's also attracting these like big old beetles out here too, so they're just all hanging out. But it really sucks that when we're down there, they're just bouncing around on us. So honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and call it quits tonight. I'll let the bugs have this one. She's fed up with it, I'm fed up with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave this as is, clean up a little bit obviously. We're gonna go ahead and take out this rear wheel. The rear wheel actually aired out when we had it sitting on just the rear, when we had the front lifted up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the trunk, get this ready to go. But this is where I'm gonna have to call it quits. Alright guys, so before I head and actually go ahead and end this video, I just wanna again say thank you to my first legitimate sponsor, LED All the Things. They hooked it up. They actually sent me a charger as well. It's a LED charger. Again, this shirt's a little big. I know it's looking all big like a dress shirt and everything. But again, this is just 100% cotton, and it's actually bigger than I expected it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and when I throw it in the washer, it's obviously gonna shrink and it's gonna look better next time, I promise. But again, shout out to them, they hooked me up. They're legit, so go ahead and check them out. I have the link in the description. Save yourself 10% off. Now, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Thank you for the support, I appreciate it, truly grateful. So I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll get more stuff done, I promise. Again, this is just kind of how it is right now. But we're, like I said in the beginning, we're scheduled to get that 2017 tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Engine swap coming soon. Peace out.